If you're the type of person who can't sit still for more than a few minutes, then you probably spend a lot of time planning your next vacation. And if you're the type of person who likes to be prepared for anything, then you probably have a packing list that's a mile long. But what about the gadgets you need to make your trip go smoothly? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about travel gadgets that you might need on your next trip. So don't forget to pack them before you head out on your next adventure. The first gadget is the MiniPresso, a portable espresso machine. The MiniPresso GR, manufactured by Wacaco, is a very convenient and transportable espresso machine. You may ground your own coffee beans to produce the drink whenever and wherever you need to use this espresso machine since it comes with a grinder. Take a look at how nice the product appears. The ergonomics are something that appeal to me. This stylish espresso machine is one of the travel gadgets that just cannot be left behind thanks to its portability and its user-friendliness. This gizmo must be in your travel luggage at all times, whether you are going to the freezing cold of New York or the scorching heat of Arizona. In addition to this, the espresso machine has a cup built right into it, which is sure to come in handy at some point. The next gadget is Zendure's travel adapter, the Passport ID Pro. A new device has been developed by Zendure, a business that is already well known for producing durable power banks and smart travel adapters. The Zendure Passport ID Pro is our pick for the finest universal travel adapters currently available. The Passport 2 Pro, in contrast to many other travel adapters, provides power delivery, or more simply stated, the capacity to charge a device quickly at 61 W, which is the biggest amount of power that has ever been provided by a travel adapter. This adapter has a number of amazing characteristics, some of the most notable of which are its streamlined appearance, smooth sliders, and auto-resetting fuse. Our next recommended gadget is the fully adjustable neck pillow for travel by Trtl. A standard U-shaped travel cushion has a number of drawbacks that are addressed by the innovative design of the Trtl pillow. The manufacturer describes it as a scientifically engineered travel pillow that provides premium comfort and breathability. The cushion may be personalized in any way you choose, comforts you in any direction, so the next time you are on a flight, don't worry about sleep. Thanks to this Trtl pillow, you may turn about in any manner and still sleep pleasantly. The next gadget in this video is the PGYTECH OneMo 25 liters camera backpack. The PGYTECH OneMo backpack is without a doubt one of the most stylish bags that we have come across. Although this bag was designed specifically for photographers, we believe that any techie who often travels with a large number of accessories and devices would benefit from having one. The OneMo has a capacity of 25 liters, which is sufficient to transport an abundance of electronic devices. The camera and lens may be stored in the built-in pouch mode of the backpack, which is included with the bag. The whole of the bag may be stored inside the backpack itself. Additionally, OneMo offers specific places for you to keep your camera or drone batteries in case you need to access them quickly. In addition to that, it also comes equipped with a battery life indicator. This comes in helpful when switching out the batteries. The modularity of this backpack is one of the most crucial advantages that it has. It is possible to convert the backpack into a camera bag, a travel bag, or anything else. There is a side hole which is very convenient for photographers as it allows for quick access to their cameras. It is quite likely that you may also keep your drone in that compartment. The quality of the fabric used in the bag is exceptional. Amazing things can be said about both the ergonomics and the design. There is no question that the OneMo is among the very finest backpacks on the market for those who love their tech and take photos when traveling. Our next gadget for this video is the Incharge 6, a charging cable. Rolling Square, a well-known producer located in Switzerland, has been creating and developing some of the most innovative smartphone accessories, including the Incharge 6 case. Their older products include things like the Incharge Small, Incharge X, and Trtl, amongst others. Their items are futuristic, can be purchased for much under $50, and are extremely reasonably priced. This is a connecting cable that allows you to link between a variety of USB devices. It has 6 distinct functions in one. To be more specific, the Incharge 6 is compatible with connections made through USB, Lightning, Type-C, and micro USB. There are a total of 6 different permutations that you may choose from. Incharge 6 is an extremely portable, easy-to-use, and lightweight device. If you already have this in your wallet or bag, there is absolutely no need for you to carry any extra wires. The Incharge 6 has magnetic properties, allowing both ends to be joined together. The Incharge 6 has TPU cable protection that prevents your cable from being damaged in any way. To put it simply, the TPU protection prevents the cable from reaching its critical bending threshold, which in turn protects the copper wires within the cable from being damaged. If your smartphone has a USB-C connector, you will be able to use this cable to charge a variety of other devices without any hassle. Next, we have the Omni 20 Powerbank. Have you been searching for a power bank that can simultaneously charge many electronic devices? Incharge has developed a portable battery pack, which they market under the slogan "Power Anything, Anywhere." Because this power bank has a 230V AC power outlet, it can charge not just mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, but also larger electronic devices like laptops. The ability to keep track of everything that is happening with the OmniCharge is the finest feature. The fact that the Omni 20 is capable of rapid charging is an additional key feature, and to fully charge this power bank will just take you 3 hours of your time. The next gadget in our video is an invisible and foldable iPad Pro stand and case by MOFT. Mobile Office for Travelers is a trademark that is dedicated to innovative products that boost your productivity while you are on the road. Up until fairly recently, the majority of movable cases and stands did not provide eye-level viewing in addition to flexible angles to facilitate user-friendly operation. Because the iPad Pro will likely replace your current personal computer, you should protect it with a sturdy stand and cover. The MOFT Float is a folding stand case combination designed specifically for the iPad Pro. The MOFT Float is constructed with a platform that is built in. It continues to adhere to the invisible design of the MOFT, with the intention of providing a greater number of safeguards and functions while preserving the same compact shape. It can be brought to the surface anytime it is required, but it can be hidden away whenever it is not. No matter where you are, because of its innovative and patented double hinge structure, it is able to raise the screen to the ideal height and provide a comfortable viewing angle. When you're using your iPad Pro, it gives you a revolutionary mobile experience that you can take with you wherever you go. First and foremost, it maintains its absence of weight, just like every MOFT creation does. Now let's take a look at our next gadget, an action camera Insta360 ONE R. Insta360's ONE R action cam is not only stunning, but it also has a ton of fascinating capabilities. Modularity is one of them. You may detach and upgrade the camera body, lens, and batteries. What a fantastic thing. The ONE R has a variety of accessories, including a battery module, a 360-degree camera module, a 4K one sensor module, etc. One of a kind describes this action camera. The Insta360 ONE R is waterproof up to 16 feet without a case, accepts up to 256 gigabytes, micro SD cards for storage, and shoots in a 4K wide angle. A drone may also be equipped with a camera. Speaking of drones, this camera has a special function that allows you to place two independent ONE R cameras on your drone, such as the Mavic 2 Pro, and it will merge the outputs from the two cameras to produce a 360-degree image. The battery life of the ONE R action camera is one of its main drawbacks. The base battery module is appallingly short-lived, lasting just 1 hour. And that's a wrap on our Travel Gadgets episode. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you're now armed with all the knowledge you need to make your travels a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure, and don't forget to pack your camera. Thanks for watching.